Good afternoon, guys. We are going home now. Yeah, there are people at the moment. They are doing the paragliding. Yeah, paragliding, I think. Nice. It is not very strict here in Australia. At the moment, there is the rules that only two people are allowed to be together outside. I mean, two people are only allowed to gather together. Yeah, more than two is not allowed, and should be with a 1.5 meter distance. That is the rules. Also, people just hanging out outside, it's not allowed. Also, people are only allowed to go out if they are going to work, going to the grocery, doing some jogging, only that. But if you are just going to stay outside, yeah, the police, they will ask you to go home. And of course, there are some places that there are no police visibility, so some people can do things like normal. Today is my fourth day at work. I'm doing breakfast. Yeah, we don't have much guests. I am the only one working in the breakfast. Yeah, this is my very first time to do working by myself, and I'm actually a little worried. I mean, scared. I'm not so used of working by myself. I always work with someone with me. So basically, I come at 6 in the morning, and then there is one waiter that comes at 7 o'clock, and we do our breakfast like room service. Yeah, so it's plated, and then the waiter delivered it to the room. Good afternoon. Good. Alright, yeah. Yeah, like those ladies, they are doing normal things. They always walking around here. I mean, every day you see them here. So yeah, because we don't have much guests, I'm doing the cleaning. Yesterday I cleaned the walls, and nice. Yeah, and then today I cleaned the middle wall, the one behind the fryer, behind the oven. I cleaned that, and then tomorrow probably I'm going to clean the other wall. Yeah, deep cleaning. I have all the time to clean, so you know, relax cleaning. I'm just going to the post office because I'm going to buy a new iPhone. Yeah, a new telephone, because this iPhone 6 that I'm using is already broken. Yeah, it's not 1 year yet, but already broken because it's dropped several times. Yeah, and when the touch screen is not working properly, that's why I'm going to buy a new iPhone. I'm going to buy just the iPhone 6s because yeah, iPhone 6s is good, like this one. I don't like the other iPhone because they don't have earphone jack, you know. Why do you think it now? All out of love, I'm so lost without you. I know you were right. Yo, I got the new phone. Then this is a Telstra. Yeah, iPhone 6s. It's actually $379. Okay, so I'm just going to make that hot. And yeah, this is the iPhone 6s. You can buy prepaid phone here in Australia in different shop. This one I bought it from the post office. $379. This is discounted. I saw it in the website yesterday. Yeah, because the regular price is around 400 plus. The 64 GB and the 128 GB is around 500. I'm good with this one. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah, you see this one is broken, and the touchscreen is not good anymore. Okay, we're going to have this minced beef. I'm just going to do this like a burger. One more. I want it overcooked. I want it very well done. The same, this time I'm going to buy a case so that when it pull down it will be safe. This one is not even 1 year, so much broken already. There is one line here, and when you touch the screen it's not working very well. So like normal, it comes with the charger, cable, and this, and the earphone. So I'm just going to set up this and we'll be ready to use. Yo, good morning guys. It is now 6:25. I'm going to cook rice. Oh, you know, this is the rice that I bought from Walmart 2 days ago. Yeah. And this is arroz la rueda. And this is actually imported from Spain. As you can see in here. Yeah, produced in Spain. I just transferred the rice in this plastic because this one is broken. Most of the rice I know are made in, coming from Thailand, coming from Vietnam, and not in Europe. But you know, the rice quality, this one is big. What is the brand? White medium grain rice. I don't know if this one is good because I'm so used to eating jasmine rice. I'm not hungry, but you know, I want to eat. I have this. This one is really good, coming from Aldi. I'm just editing video. Today I am Liu day, because yesterday I was working, and we have just around eight people in the hotel, so it's like a 4 room. Yeah, I did breakfast for them, but because it's not busy, so I cleaned the middle wall, the place where all the oven, all the fryer, and you know, down there is really messy, you know, a lot of oil. So I cleaned that, the wall, yeah. And then when I got home, because I finished at around 2 o'clock, and I got home, and at around 2:59 I saw a missed call on my phone, and it's Chef. He asked me not to come today because today there will be just 2 people in the hotel, 2 guests. Yeah, so coming to work will be like a waste of money. So Chef asked me to do a Liu day today, like a rest day. I don't know tomorrow because I'm expecting tomorrow to have just 2 people again for the breakfast. Yeah, we don't have much guests. Yeah, this one is good. Yeah, I have no plan of going out because I'm really not comfortable going outside because of this COVID. I prefer to be at home. Actually, I'm feeling paranoid when I'm outside. I feel like the dish that I'm washing with the virus, you know. And when I'm on biking on the way, I feel like the air or the wind has a small particles that's carrying a virus. Yeah. And yeah, when I get home, I feel that something is in my clothes or in my bag, in my backpack. Yeah, that's why when I get home, I change everything. I change my clothes, I take shower as possible and washing my hand before eating, you know. Yeah, but you know, we never know. But of course. Okay, it's already 3:23. And we're going to eat. I'm hungry. Oh, I forgot this one because I put the garbage in the garbage bin outside. This is coming from the grocery. Rafael, when he was here, he bought this one. I was using before the plastic bag coming from the grocery. But since the grocery, they don't have any more free plastic bag, I don't have any more. That's why Rafael have this. And this is where I put my garbage. So it's hidden. Oh, I still need to wash this one. And this is what I'm going to eat. This is the chicken that they cooked this morning. This is just chicken, salt and oil. Yeah, but it's really tasty. The rice is actually good. As you can see, it's bigger grain compared to the jasmine rice. Because you know, I don't really like the other white rice. It looks very dry, and when it's becomes soft, it's hard. I mean, when it's cold, it's become hard. But this one is good. Yeah, nice.